Ready to ditch that bulky plastic and finally put your Gamestop gift card right on your iPhone or Apple Watch? Let's do it! First, find the Wallet app on your iPhone and give it a tap to open it. It's usually on your home screen, and it looks like a white wallet with colorful squares. Once you're in the Wallet app, look for the plus sign icon in the top right corner of your screen. Tap it. A menu will pop up giving you several options. Scroll through the menu until you see gift card and tap on it. Now, use the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Gamestop. You might see it appear in a list below as you type is so. Tap on Gamestop to select it. Okay, this is where your Gamestop gift card comes in. You'll need to carefully enter the gift card number and the PIN. Make sure you double check each digit to avoid any errors. Alternatively, some gift cards allow you to scan the barcode. If you see a barcode icon next to the number field, tap it and use your iPhone's camera to scan the barcode on the back of your gift card. After you've entered the card information or scanned the barcode, you should see an Add button appear at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that. And that's it. Your Gamestop gift card is now safely stored in your Apple Wallet. Next time you're at Gamestop, just open your Wallet app, select your Gamestop gift card, and use your iPhone or Apple Watch to pay. Enjoy!